Hello everyone, it's Hannah, and in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to drop decimal places in Microsoft Excel without the need to round. If you have a large set of data and don't want to round the numbers, but just want to display a certain number of decimal places, this tutorial will be perfect for you. You can apply this on a cell-by-cell basis or do the whole column or worksheet. So let's get started. I have this column D with a bunch of decimal numbers. I'm going to right-click on D and then left-click on Format Cells. This will bring up the Format Cells dialog box. You want to click on the Currency tab and select the number of decimal places you want to show. In this example, I'm going to select 0 since I don't want to show any decimals. Then click OK. Now you can see that the decimals have been dropped and it only displays the whole numbers. But if you click on any of the cells, you can still see the full value in the formula bar. This is a great trick to keep your worksheet clean and uncluttered. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more Excel tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.